Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam. In this video we will learn rhyming alphabet. What is rhyming alphabet? Every alphabet having its own pronunciation. If we pronounce one alphabet, we feel it includes another alphabet pronunciation also. This is called rhyming alphabet. These are A sound rhyming alphabet A, H, J, K. E sound rhyming alphabet B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V. E sound alphabet F, L, M, N, S, X. I sound alphabet I, Y. O sound alphabet O. U sound alphabet Q, U, W. R sound alphabet R. Z sound alphabet Z. These are rhyming alphabets. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.